How can I use mind maps for casual language practice? Have you ever wondered how to make learning a new language feel less like a chore and more like a fun activity? Mind maps might just be the answer you are looking for. They can transform your casual language practice into an engaging experience. Let's break down how you can use mind maps effectively for this purpose. First, let's clarify what a mind map is. It is a visual diagram that starts with a central idea and branches out into related concepts. This method mimics the brain's natural way of organizing information. It allows you to group related ideas together using colors, images, and keywords. To get started, pick a casual topic that interests you. It could be something like food, travel, or daily routine. Write this topic in the center of your page or digital canvas. This will be your central theme. Next, create branches that representing subtopics related to your main theme. For example, if your central theme is food, you might have branches for fruits, vegetables, meals, and cooking verbs. This helps you break down the topic into smaller, manageable parts. Now it's time to add vocabulary and phrases. Under each branch, list words and expressions you want to practice. For instance, under fruits, you could include apple, banana, and orange. You can also add casual phrases like "I'm craving something sweet." This contextualizes your vocabulary, making it easier to remember. To make your mind map more engaging, use colors and images. Different colors can help differentiate the branches, while small drawings or icons can representing words or ideas. This visual aspect makes the mind map more memorable and enjoyable. Once your mind map is ready, use it as a prompt for speaking or writing practice. For example, look at your travel mind map and try to describe your last trip using the vocabulary and phrases you mapped out. This encourages you to actively use the language instead of just memorizing it. Mind maps are flexible tools. You can add new words, phrases, or grammar points as you learn them. This ongoing process reinforces your learning and allows you to track your progress. You can also combine mind maps with listening and reading activities. When you come across new language input, like a video or article, use a mind map to summarize key points or vocabulary. This makes your casual practice more structured without feeling like formal study. Finally, mind maps encourage creativity and give you control over your learning. You decide what to include or leave out, which can boost your motivation and make the practice more enjoyable. Using mind maps for casual language practice turns learning into an active and creative process. They help you organize ideas, remember words better, and practice speaking or writing naturally. By regularly creating and updating mind maps on topics that interest you, you can make language learning a fun part of your daily life.